Kayla Gallagher. These are your favourite things. Number 1, favourite musician, band, artist, currently and for all time.
So the first thing that popped into my head, I would have to say, is The Cure. Honestly, I love The Cure.
Wicked. How did you come to know of such an 80s band, being so young?
Honestly, my ex-boyfriend.
Mars?
No,
Kenny.
Ken. Kenny.
When we're talking about boyfriends, are we essentially just talking about Mars and Kenny?
Yes, honestly, that's, yeah.
Great, I love that. We know where we are.
Yeah.
Love that. Okay, The Cure. Have you seen them live in concert?
I've never seen them live, no.
Give me a favourite album.
Head
Favorites?
on the Door.
Head on the Door?
Yeah.
Favourite track?
I'm forgetting if this is from that track, but just this is my favorite track by them. It's probably Pictures of You. Who doesn't love that one?
Fantastic.
Good.
I'm loving it. Is 80s music
Inspiring, yes.
something that you're partial to?
I really love 80s music. Yeah, I like it.
And that's Kenny. Is that because Kenny was a bit older?
Yeah, he was a bit older, yeah. So.
Okay, that's the benefit, right?
Yeah.
Number 2, okay, favourite song, we've done that, and favourite album, we've done that too. Favourite movie recently that you might have seen and enjoyed, and for all time?
Recently, I just saw, what did I see? I saw Chungking Express.
That you liked?
I really liked it. I loved it.
The DP, I can't remember his name right now, who worked with Wong Kar-wai, who is the director of that movie, was recently on, I believe it was Anthony Bourdain's last Parts Unknown before he died, before he killed himself. And he's a nutty Australian who lives in Hong Kong. It was a Hong Kong issue.
Yeah.
Oh, shit, what's his name? The cinematography was great.
It is. It's, yeah, amazing. I don't know who he is, though.
Going out with a cinematographer, an aspiring one, are you absorbing all of that? Oh God, my tummy's really rumbling. I wonder if it's going to pick up. Are you absorbing all of the history of film through him and his passion?
I think so. I think I'm starting to... I mean, I have always loved movies, but especially too being in New York and having, being by myself and not being around my boyfriend as much and having some more free time, I've been watching a lot of movies and discussing a lot of things with him. And I think I notice things now that I wouldn't have noticed before, especially the way it's filmed, the lighting and everything like that. So,
you know, and obviously you're a model now, so you're going to be keeping your eyes open for how lighting on set is happening.
Yes, yeah, I actually think about that. And he said it before too. Obviously the lighting there is not as complicated probably as like in movies, but I do keep an eye on it.
That's great. Who's Kenny's hero? Oh, Mars's, sorry.
It's okay.
If it's not one, it's the other. Who's Mars's favourite cinematographer? This is like a Mr. and Mrs. kind of question. You have to know this.
I have to know this.
You have to know who his favourite cinematographer is. You have to go and text him when you come out of this.
Yeah, I have to.
And also you have to know which his favourite film is for cinematography. Which is the movie that he thinks is the most beautiful or the standout high watermark for his craft.
I don't know if this is his favourite, but I know he always mentions this movie specifically about the recent Blade Runner.
He likes the new Blade Runner.
Yeah, he thinks it's the most beautiful movie ever. I don't really like
I would have a big argument with him.
Would you?
In saying that the original Blade Runner is up there as being the most beautiful movie ever and trumps the new one completely. In every way.
I would probably agree with you too, just because
You've got to go and see it. Do me a favour. Watch the original Blade Runner with Mars on a good Blu-ray screen and stuff, and you'll see what I mean.
Okay, I will.
But your favourite, so you like Chungking Express?
Yes.
Are you going to put that as a recent film that you enjoyed?
That's a recent film I enjoyed, but actually I was thinking, I just saw, what was it called? Oh, The Double Life of Veronica.
Oh, yeah?
I just saw that too, and actually I really, really love that movie.
That's so good. Is that, what's her name? French actress?
She is a French actress. It's what's his name? Christoph Kowalski's. I think I'm I'm sorry. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. It's Juliette Binoche is in that.
Yeah,
Juliette
she's beautiful.
Binoche.
I don't know if that's.
She is beautiful. It is beautiful.
Gorgeous,
She's dark haired. She's a bit like you.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, Double Life of Veronique and
Chunking Express.
Chunking Express, and then for all time now, come on. And it can be really cheesy.
Harry Potter.
It is Harry Potter. It's the Harry Potter films. One in particular.
Come on. The third one.
Do you remember
The
what
third
that's
one's
called?
so good. Yeah.
Deathly Hallows?
Prisoner of Azkaban.
Fantastic. I love that. Favorite TV show currently and of all time?
I don't have a favorite TV show right now. I haven't really been up to date on TV shows, but of all time, I can honestly say Lost.
Lost, is it?
I love Lost, yeah.
Is that 90s? I never watched it.
No, it's like early 2000s, I would
It
say.
is, okay,
Yeah,
yeah,
2005.
J.J. Abrams.
Yeah, so good, that show. Oh my god.
That's fantastic. Favorite actor?
Who's my favorite actor? I don't know. I don't really have a favorite actor or actress really that I'm
You
like,
don't?
oh, I love
That
him
you'd go
so
and
much.
see their films if they were in it, you know, you'd be interested because you like them so much. No favorite
I
actor?
don't know. I'm blanking. I don't really...
You do, you know, but you can't think? Or you don't even know?
I don't even know. I don't even know, honestly.
Okay. Favorite model? Or someone whose career that you're admiring at the moment or you just think is for getting it done? Is money important in that respect?
Yeah, I think...
Who's shooting the big campaigns and earning? You know who wins the award for best paid model who's ever lived. You know that.
Who is it?
Have a guess.
Oh, Kate Moss.
Nope.
Is it Christy? Not Christy, but...
Now, she's recently...
Oh, now it's
She's
Gigi Hadid or something?
She's recently beat who was the previous record holder, Giselle Bundchen, right?
Okay.
Which you can understand.
Yeah.
Who has beaten Giselle's record for the highest paid model who's ever lived? Because we're in other times.
Not Kendall Jenner.
Kendall Jenner it is.
Really?
Yes. There you
Oh, that
go.
makes sense.
Total sense.
Yeah.
There you go. But who's your favourite model, if you or someone you like?
I mean, who doesn't really... Oh, Cindy Crawford.
Cindy Crawford.
I would have to say, I like her.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
There's a bit of Cindy going on in you as well.
Thank you.
And favourite designer?
I would have to say I really
Money,
like,
no object. You know, it doesn't matter.
I like Alexander Wang.
Wicked.
Yeah.
Sporty, all-American,
Yeah. Just kind of like...
simple,
Yeah. It's casual.
Casual.
It's kind of street style, but it's also...
elevated.
fashion. Yeah, elevated.
Brilliant. And that's really a big thing at the moment.
It is, yeah.
Street, sport, coming into high. Mm-hmm. Kanye, what's his name?
Oh, yeah, Kanye, wow.
Well, Kanye and the group that included Virgil Abloh, who's big from Off-White and who's now just done Christian Dior's menswear collection.
Oh, wow. I didn't know that.
Yeah, those guys are really taking over. Favorite accessories? Okay, and I want brands now. Mm-hmm. Shoes, bags, sunglasses.
Shoes, I would have to say... Oh, God,
It can
I'm
be
such
anyone.
a bad fashion
You don't. It can
person.
be Forever 21.
No, it's not Forever 21. I don't know. Well, I have these. I have
And
these
it doesn't-
sunglasses that I wear every single day, and they're this brand called Electrify.
Wicked.
I really love these.
The
actually.
first
It's like,
ones, and they're sort of Ray-Ban
yeah, they're kind
Yes.
of like
of the Wayfarer
Mm-hmm.
variety.
bags. I have a lot of cute like little boutique store bags that I buy. Like I'm a super big thrifter. Like I like to thrift. I don't really do too many name brand things.
Right.
Shoes, I would have to say
And they
it's
can-
important to buy really good quality shoes.
It can be sneakers as well, you know. Do
Yeah,
you
I
don't
think
wear
honestly,
sneakers?
I do wear sneakers
You
a lot.
do?
It's either these shoes that I'm wearing or like Reeboks.
Reeboks?
Yeah.
Do we have a particular make of Reebok? I mean,
I
style
have
of
these.
Reebok?
I have these like classic ones. I'm not really sure.
don't know the number?
No, I don't know the number.
What colour are they?
They're white.
Okay, right, white Reeboks. Mm-hmm. I'm going to put that.
Okay, but
Because a thrift
I'm not
store
giving
is no good to me. Favorite makeup? Do you wear any?
if I'm putting on makeup, my go-to thing is like liquid eyeliner and mascara, and I'm done.
From who?
I get Kat Von D liquid eyeliner
Ooh,
Yeah,
never heard of that.
from Sephora. It's really good and it stays on all day. And then just it's a Too Faced, I think it is called, like mascara that I use, and then I use some BB cream from Sephora. I'm forgetting the brand, but
So
that's
I'm going
kind
to
of it.
put the brand as Kat Von D.
Yeah, for the liquid eyeliner, and then it's Too Faced.
Oh, that's another
mascara.
brand.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Never
then
heard of those. That's great.
and then some BB cream that I just get from.
What's BB cream?
It's like some tinted moisturizer.
Is that the jargon? For
Yeah, that's
tinted
BB cream. Yeah.
What does that stand for? BB.
I don't even know.
That's so weird. I'd love to know the derivation of that term. Favorite perfume?
It's this French one that I just ran out of. Actually, it's called.
Is it in your bag?
No, it's not in my bag.
Shit.
It's something 22 Mason 22 or something.
Maison
like.
22.
It's might be that. I don't know.
Maison 22. House 22.
Yeah.
If I go Maison 22 and Google that, it'll come up.
I'll look it up after this.
Okay, you can DM me. Favorite store for anything, doesn't matter what.
I really like this store next to my place, and it's called Sleeper.
Okay, what's your place? Where's your place?
It's in Echo Park in LA.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
And Sleeper, what do they... Is it a bed?
It's a vintage store, and it has like kind of old vintage designer.
Furniture?
No, not furniture.
Oh.
Clothes.
Clothes. Oh, yes, of course. What's it called again?
A Sleeper.
Sleeper. Okay, Sleeper, Echo Park. What's Echo Park like to live in?
Echo Park's nice. I feel like it's kind of like Brooklyn.
Yeah?
A little bit, yeah.
Arty?
It's arty, yeah.
Favorite online way of shopping? Store?
I go on, let's see, I don't really online shop.
You don't do it?
No, I don't do it.
You don't do it?
No, because
you're going into the thrift store physically in
I
there,
physically go into places.
and you try stuff on. Favorite city place to live?
LA.
Is it?
Yeah, I have to say.
That's home for you?
It's home. I mean, I really love New York, but I mean, there's something so chill and like
Easy
just
about
easy
LA.
about LA.
You don't
know?
mind driving everywhere?
I don't mind driving everywhere.
So where is the ultimate... Okay, where would you live, money no object?
Where would I want to live anywhere in the world?
No, in Los Angeles.
Oh, in
that's
Los
your
Angeles.
favorite city.
Mount Washington.
Is that a
That's a little
neighborhood?
Yeah, that's a little place.
Where is it?
It's kind of by Echo Park and like downtown area, except it's more in the hills, and so it has like a very beautiful like overlooks Los Angeles, and has really beautiful older homes, and yeah, it's just a really nice area.
So when you make your fortune,
Yeah, I would want to buy a house there.
great. Favorite restaurant?
Favorite restaurant? I really love this place called Blossom in Los Angeles. It's kind of this it's a Vietnamese restaurant there, and it has an upstairs, and then at night they open like a downstairs area that's really cute and really good pho and wine. So, yeah.
And is that in...
It's in the Echo Park area, yeah.
It is.
It's everything.
Right. Wicked. There's a favourite restaurant that I used to go to, which is Macrobiotic, and it's down by La Brea, and 3rd or 6th. Oh, fuck. Inarca? Do you know it? Oh, they do a salmon sort of soupy thing. That's great. I always try and go there.
Actually, I want to change my favorite restaurant.
You
I
can.
just thought of something really good. It's called Oriel. It opened in October, and it's in the arts district of LA, and it's anybody who goes to LA should go there. It's like French cuisine, like kind of little bites, and it's the best food I've ever had. So, yeah.
Oriel.
Yeah,
How do you spell that?
Oriel. And it's the way it's decorated. I mean, the design of it is so cool and like pretty and yeah.
Great. Favorite holiday destination and hotel? Where do you like?
You know, I haven't been here, but where I would like to go for a holiday is Greece.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who
My
doesn't
wife's
wanna-
been to Greece. It's extremely beautiful.
Oh my God,
apparently.
so bad. But that's, I mean, I don't really have a favorite holiday destination.
But you're gonna go to Greece.
I'm gonna go there, yeah.
Favorite food, meal, last meal.
I really love, I always pronounce this wrong, acai bowls.
Acai bowls?
Yeah, they're like little smoothie bowls.
Or
with
balls
like,
of acai?
Yeah, you know what I'm
An
talking about?
acai bowl?
Yeah, like a bowl.
A bowl
yeah.
full of acai?
Yeah, it's like a smoothie bowl with like a bunch of fruit and granola and like honey on top, and it's really good.
So
I have
is
a
it
sweet tooth right
is
now.
it the granola or the acai that is the main focus of this?
The granola.
It's the
It's
granola.
the granola.
It's just a fancy granola bowl with some acai balls,
Yeah.
and it's frozen balls of acai in there,
Yeah.
which is so good for you.
Mm-hmm.
Are you an LA person in that respect, that you're
Yes.
all foodie, sort of foodie, healthy foodie?
Yes, I really think so. That's what
Do
I
you shop
miss.
at Elle when you're down there?
Oh my gosh, I love that place.
I
It's
love
amazing,
Elle
right?
so
it's so
much.
good. You can't
Is
compare
that one of the
the
most
food
famous
there.
health food stores in
I
Los
don't
Angeles?
know. It must be. It's so good. It's always busy when I'm there,
Yeah.
and they always have the best little treats and stuff. So yeah, I mean,
Elle it is. That's my favorite place in LA. Favorite exercise. Now you're an ectomorph. You're skinny. You're born skinny, and
am,
you don't
yeah.
have to do anything about that. Mm-hmm. And people are jealous of your capacity to be able to eat all the time.
I think I'm a really healthy eater. Actually, like I really
As well.
care about what I eat.
Mm-hmm.
But I do exercise. Mostly, I did cross country in high school, so I think that kind of like stuck
Jesus,
with
you're
me.
built to run,
So yeah,
aren't you?
I like to run.
Do you run?
I do run, not here in New York, which is kind of terrible.
But you would run in LA?
But I would run, yeah. I would.
In the hills of Echo?
Yeah, somewhere nice. Somewhere like there's a park you can run.
Right.
Sometimes in my parents' area, like I just like to.
You're a runner.
Yeah.
Favorite animal, pet?
So I have a cat. His name
Ah.
is Cooper. I
Wicked.
found him on the street and I love him. So yeah.
What kind of cat is he?
We're not really sure. He's Siamese and
Oh.
something else.
Beautiful.
So yeah.
And last but by no means least, favorite social media? The one you're
Come on. Instagram.
Does that it all begins and ends with Instagram?
It really does, doesn't it? That's like what.
And now are you hyper conscious of it and how to grow a following and all the rest of it? Do you feel that is part and parcel of a road to possible success, or isn't it?
I think there's a certain kind of success you can get from it. I don't know if it's the kind of success I really want, but I mean, no.
Do you have a strategy for building it? Are you taught how to Instagram these days by agents and mother agents and all the rest of it? Are they always banging on about how you're supposed to be doing it? Or is it something you have to take into your own hands?
Definitely not. I think it's something you take into your own hands. And I just enjoy Instagram because, I mean, I like to look at it.
That's right. As
Yeah,
just
that's why,
as a consumer of
As
it.
a consumer, yeah. Mm-hmm.
That's amazing. Kayla, you were fantastic.
Thank you.
It was such a pleasure talking with you today, and I wish you all the best. I think you're so freaking cool. I think the world and you are colliding. The times are right for you. Mm-hmm. And I just think it's now totally up to you to make it all happen. And to make a shitload of cash in the process.
Yes.
So congratulations. Thank you for giving so much of yourself. And we'll see you again soon.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining.
Bye,
Bye.